Welcome to another episode of What's in Your Garage. Today we're featuring a 1965 candy apple red Corvette Stingray. Hey, good morning everybody. It's Eric with Eric's Garage coming at you for another episode of What's in Your Garage. And today I'm at William's house and he's got a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful Corvette Stingray we're going to take a look at here today. So let me knock on the door and see if he's around. Oh, we got nothing going on there. William, are you around? Hey, man. All right, well, we'll give it another minute. We'll knock again here. All right. Hey William, how you doing, man? It's good seeing you, dude. Yeah, thanks for the opportunity to come out here and check out this radically cool Corvette.
Thanks, man.
Yeah,
glad you came out.
Yeah, thanks. Good to be here. This thing is just like so totally cool. Now we met at the Veterans Car Show
at Glendale Arena.
Yeah, right there, Westgate. Right?
Westgate. That's right.
Yeah, and I saw this. I'm like, this thing is cool. Now, you've got a really, really super duper cool story about this car.
Oh, yeah.
So we're going to hold off on that for a second here, but is it possible for us to pull this out and get a look at it more out here in the driveway so we can get a better shot of it?
We sure can.
All right, sounds cool, man. Let's make it happen here, bud.
All right.
All right. Hey everybody, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ coming at you, and I've got William here with me. William, you got a badass Corvette Stingray, man. It's so cool. Anyhow, it's Eric with Eric's Garage AZ. We're going to do another episode of What's in Your Garage, and I've got William with his really sweet Corvette Stingray here, and you said it's candy apple red, right?
Yeah, that's correct.
Okay, man, well let's take a look at this car here, dude.
Yeah, so it's a 1965 candy apple red Corvette. We love it. How we got it was, it's my wife's dad's car. He got it and he slowly started restoring it, and then he did the whole exterior of it in '92. So the paint's that old.
Really? So this paint, if you see here, folks, this paint was done in 1992.
That's correct.
And what year is this now?
2019.
All right, thank you. All right, 2019. Yeah. Once in a while I have short-term memory loss, so it's all good, man.
Yeah, so little thing that he did in the interior is he took out the dash and then he fiberglassed it and then color matched it. So when you look in the front, it just flows right through.
Oh, so this here, the center portion of the console was color matched?
Yeah.
Can we take a look at that, son?
Yeah.
Can you open that up for me? Let's take a look at that. Oh, wow. That's really cool. Now, I noticed those gauges, are those all original gauges?
Yeah, all original gauges and everything.
Did you have to have them redone, like recalibrated and stuff like that?
Nope.
Really?
Just shoot a little WD-40 in it so it doesn't squeak as much.
Yeah. So those are 1965 gauges.
That's correct.
Wow. And they still work.
Yeah.
That's pretty cool.
Yeah, RPM kind of bumps, but it still works.
Okay, that's awesome, man. Well, now I see, you know, in your garage area you have a lot of really cool trophies and whatnot, and I know you go to car shows and things of this nature. What's the coolest thing about owning a car like this?
Well, one thing I get a lot is because I'm so young, people don't think it's mine, but it is. You know, we worked hard and saved up and we purchased this, and you know, we feel that we should still show it off to everyone.
Sure,
you know,
sure.
We're just the next gen.
Yep, good for you. So you're what's called a car guy, right?
That's correct.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Now, tell us a little bit more about this. I mean, what I see you have some pretty serious headers here. Let's shut this the door here for a second. No, those aren't. I misspoke when I said headers. You have these are the headers here, and that's collector right there. And I'm not touching it because he just ran it for a minute.
Yeah.
But that's a pretty significant exhaust. What size side pipe is that?
These ones are 3 inches, and then we have a 3.5 inches inside, but those are like fully non-muffed. These ones are muffed, so the noise is kind of like more settled.
Okay.
I think it sounds better because it's more less drone. Yeah.
Yeah, because you don't want all the noise to drown out the appearance of this car, right?
That's correct.
Now, it looks like you're running some pretty significant meats back there. Now, those are really cool BF Goodrich tires. And what kind of wheels are these?
Those ones are Centerlines.
Those are Centerline wheels?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Now, what size tires? They look pretty good size.
Those ones are the 235s.
Very nice. Okay.
Yeah.
And now you run like staggered size up front, a little bit smaller up front?
Yeah, just smaller up front. I think these ones are what, 215s? Yep, 215s.
Okay, cool. Look at this. This is just awesome, man. Do you want to pop the hood to show off the gem inside this thing? The what do you call it? The machine that makes this thing move down the road. Wow, look at that, folks. Look at this color. This is just
wow. Being so old still shines.
Now you've got a lot of, looks like there's a lot of chrome as well as polishing that's done on the inside of this thing. I've never seen anybody chrome a fan shroud before. That's pretty unique.
Yeah, and then these little right here too and everything. There's like little bits and pieces. That was what my father-in-law, that's what he did and everything else, dressed it up.
Okay.
The motor is still the 327, but the block is a nickel alloy, so it still runs and performs. It's a great little vehicle.
Cool.
Yeah.
Now, were you planning on doing any other things like maybe polishing the intake manifold or something like that, or keeping it pretty much the way it is here?
Keep it as what it is. Yeah.
Okay, that's pretty cool. I like that. This thing is just like awesome. Now, what kind of ignition are you running over there? Is it Msd Ignition?
Yep, Msd, and the box is inside, hidden underneath the passenger side.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
So it does get definite fire.
Yeah, it's because it doesn't look nice in the engine bay, so we had to like tuck and hide it. And
I see. Okay, okay. Wow, this is just really, really cool. Now, aside from the fact that this is your car and you guys, you know, you see you guys, I mean, you and your wife saved the money to purchase it from her father. Is there anything else super cool about this car besides the fact that it's a super cool car?
Well, we were able to like redo the interior of the vehicle.
Okay, so let's check that out here.
So when we did it, of course, the carpet was kind of sun faded, so we got all new carpet inside. We wrapped all the seats with real leather, and then for the back, we leather wrapped it too, so it made it look nicer rather than the plastic.
Yeah, because the old school hockey stick, it's called, was made out of plastic.
Yeah.
And so you wrapped this in leather.
Yeah. So
now, did you have it done or did you do it yourself?
No, I had it done.
Okay, okay.
Yeah.
All right.
And then did a little diamond stitch. It had like diamond stitch in it before, but it was all dated. And we just made it more nicer.
Cool chrome roll bar.
Yeah, it's kind of hidden because when you look in the back, people see the chrome window seal and they don't really see the roll bar.
Yeah, unless you look across the window like over there. This is really cool. And did you decide to get a chrome roll bar just because you thought it looked cool and made it look more muscly?
I don't know. That's what her dad did, but I still, it's functional. It's like welded to the frame and everything. It's not just bolted on.
Okay, that's very cool. Now, do you guys ever do anything more with this besides go to car shows? Like, do you ever do like an overnight trip maybe to Sedona and show it off to the rich and famous or something like that? I mean, it looks like you have plenty of room for luggage, but
not right now. Okay. In the future we are. It's because of the rear end. It's not geared for that right now.
Oh,
and as soon as we swap that out, we'll be able to.
That off camera that your rear end kind of like causes you to have some high RPMs.
Yeah,
okay.
And we got a better gearing one, so we can actually take it on the freeway.
Okay. Now, do you do the mechanical work yourself?
Yeah, as much as I can.
Okay, sure. Yeah. Now, are you a mechanic by trade?
I learned at a young age.
Okay,
yeah.
Very cool.
I worked on like Hondas when I was younger, and then
nice.
Slowly just worked up.
Yeah, well, mechanical ability is mechanical ability.
Yeah, it's just like Legos, you know.
Yeah, exactly right. It is. Now, let's take a look back here. Now, this isn't the split window because the split window was 63, but this has got the nice big open window. But look at that color. I mean, you said it's candy apple red, and I'll tell you what, man, it sure is, because this thing, Oh my word. Now, do you do any kind of special treatment to it? Did you ceramic coat it at all, or any kind of special spray detail or something?
So when we first bought it, it had like a couple of like, you know, an inch of dust on it. So it didn't really look like this until when we got it home and washed it. And we were kind of surprised because when we wash it, you know, when it's wet, it looks more like glamorous.
Right.
And then we started drying it, started looking good. And then we just started just polishing and buffing it.
Okay.
Yeah, it took like a whole day. And then this is like the end result. We have filter water that I use to wash it. I literally I went to Home Depot instead of buying one of those weed sprays, and I just have that with filter water, and I just spray that on there rather than using the hose water.
No kidding. Well, the hose water here is so hard.
Yeah.
You get spots like that.
Yep. So I just use that just to spray it down with the purified water.
Wow. Now, obviously, you don't take it out in the rain.
No
so
rain.
it doesn't get dirty. So when you spray it down, you just spraying off some dust, or do you just use a chamois? I mean, not a chamois, but like a microfiber towel to polish
just
it
to
up?
get the little dust off. Because when we take it around, you know, it collects. So you might hit a puddle here and there.
Okay.
And, we just literally spray it down.
Don't you love those puddles?
Yeah.
And I know how much work it takes to detail a car, and you know what you have here, because we met at that car show. Come on over here. This is just amazing. Now, I like the detail of this. Are these actual functional vents that allow air to flow through?
Not these ones. These were just for show.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Now, look at these. The gills allows for airflow there. It's really cool. Now, earlier you mentioned that we may have an opportunity to go for a ride in a car. Does that offer still stand?
It sure does.
He's my new best friend forever, man. All right, so we're gonna go for a test drive in this car. We'll check back with you in just a second. Stay tuned. All right, so we're inside this cool car, man. Fire this bugger up, buddy. Good. Look at the grin on your face, man. This is so cool. I love these cars. You know, I hope you guys really enjoy watching these videos as much as I enjoy doing these videos, because this is gorgeous, awesome day today. And I got a really cool guy, William, here, and we are rocking and rolling in his, check that out, Corvette Stingray. All right, you know what they say in Eric's Garage AZ Land, drive it like you stole it. So what's the most fun thing about driving this car?
Just driving it.
Yeah, I'll bet. Yeah. Because who else gets to drive a 1965 Corvette Stingray, right?
Exactly.
I know. I noticed when those people in the bicycles went by, they gave the old nod.
Oh, yeah.
You get the nod and the thumbs up a lot?
Always.
Yeah.
Especially when you're on the road.
Really?
People always just stares, gives you the thumbs up.
That's cool.
Yeah. Again, you just drive with a smile the whole time.
Right, I'll bet. I know right now, I got perma-grin going on right now, folks. Look at the finish on this, and it matches the exterior perfectly. If you look at that there, perfect. Clean carpet, mats, new carpet was put in here. That's what I'm talking about. Did you sense that feeling of horsepower and torque? You did, didn't you?
Yeah.
I tell you what, folks, this has been an awesome experience for me. William is a really cool cat, and I really appreciate him taking us for a ride in this car. You know, as we wrap up, is there anything else you want to tell people about out there about this car?
Nah, man, I love it. Just appreciate your car and drive it. Stay tuned to Eric's Garage for the full video. It's awesome.
Right on, you heard it here, man. Stay tuned to Eric's Garage AZ for your videos. Love your car, and if you're not a car person, you will be. In the meantime, folks, I love you guys. Remember, like, subscribe, share, and what they say in Eric's Garage AZ Land, drive it like you stole it, bitches. Peace out.